All right, so I had to pick up from here. I was interrupted as I was making the tutorial. So, without taking much of your time, let's go straight ahead and finish up with what we were doing. So, go back. So, we've already done virtually everything. As you can see, we've made progress up to this point. We just want to do the finishing touch. And now we want to add this. We're going to bring in a shape like this. We bring in this shape like this. I think this is okay. Use your grid line. Always use your grid line to guide you. So let's say we have this like this, right? Oh, should I make it longer? Let's say we have this like this and we make it, let's just say we give it color black. Then we want to add in another triangle. We'll add in a triangle. Still make it black. But here again, we'll reduce it. We'll reduce it. Uh, so we'll rotate it to 1 minus 180, right? And we might want to increase it again. Let's increase the size. Let's leave it there at the moment. So leave it there at the moment. I don't want to merge it. I should have merged it, but there's something I want to achieve before I merge it. So let's still copy this. Copy this. Or excuse me, you know what? Let me just go straight and achieve it, then I'll merge it. So you want to increase this drive. Think this. Let's see how the designer was able to achieve this. Okay. So we want to bring it this level. Then we'll reduce the size. These are the little things that will bring the major difference in your design. So let's leave it at size or 260. Okay, let's leave that to 50. Then you want to do this. You want to do this and this. Okay. You want to edit it. Edit it. Go to edit. It should come, or is it okay? Is that the, it should be okay? Yes, exactly the spot I wanted it to be. But we'll have to take it up. We'll have to take it up. Take this up as well. I think now we can merge it. Let's just merge it. We merged it to merge. Now it's not time for us to give it color. What color are we going to give this chat box? You can download it, but I just want to show you how you can have it yourself. So we're using the gradient. Let's use the gradient. These are the fonts gradient. So let's pick the colors. Let's pick the side that is white. We'll pick go over to our color picker. Go over to here. We'll select the lighter part of this. Okay, then we'll go to the other side that is black, pick the other side of the image, and we have something like this. So our chat box is like this. Then we'll go over to the charity, bring the charity to the front. Remember it's black. Now we can make it white for clarity's sake. We can now make it white and we'll align it properly. And we've done that successfully. So what you can do in this case, you can still increase the size or you give it spacing. I think 100 is okay. And you can see we've achieved that. Then the next thing is we'll go over to date and we're going to add a background now. But before that, we'll make the color white. We'll make the color white or off-white. Then we'll go over to background. Then we'll be adding the background. Pick it. We'll just use the color. We'll not use gradient for this one. We'll just pick it like this. And we have our background to be this way. Then you can, based on how you want to align your work, you will now align it. Apply padding. Let's say 40, 40. So the only thing you need to do is you can increase the size, or the size is okay. but there's something. Go over to background. The top and bottom padding is not properly aligned. Okay, this is okay. And we have this like this. So now with this, we can work with alignment. The 2025 is okay. We're going to be using the black color. The font is okay by me. Then this one also, we can increase the size of the December. So let's see how it's going to be like. Increase the size. And I think this is okay. Then this one, increase the size. Then the color, let's give it the color of our this thing here, the 20th. Or if you want, you can just give it one color or use this one. Make sure this is very, very hidden. Okay, how do we do it? Okay. Let's change the gradient. And we want this. Okay. Now we can use this for the 20th. It's more pronounced. Let's see if I make it bolder. Okay, it's okay. Then we'll bring in another triangle. This is a triangle. And the color will be this one like this. So you reduce it. Rotate it. Rotate it like this. We've done that. Then this one is okay. If you want, you can make it bold. Much more bold, but it's okay. You now align it. You can use the alignment tool. Let's say we use this alignment now, the line here. If you want, this is okay. We don't need to do any other thing. This one will change the color. Give it that gradient like this. So who's there? Huh? Ovikwe. Welcome.
Thank you.
Just the Honorable they go, Avi. Welcome. Papa.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right. You can both forgive me.
Eh?
Both forgive me.
No, drop.
Papa, that's so you tired. Tell me say you go see you. I ain't see you like. Papa. Who be this? Who be this? I will enter. Papa.
Make I help you.
Oh yeah. Papa say I go kakara like that. No, if I make you carry this one. Without you, sir.
Hey, my baby. Now you I see like this.
I'm making it to let me finish what I'm doing. Okay, I didn't pause this. Wow, I'm really sorry. I thought I had paused it. My sister just came back from a very, very long travel. I thought I paused the tutorial. So let me just finish up. This one we change the variant. We use Poppins font, so we just wow, I didn't pause it. Well, you're welcome. I shall now still make this tutorial. So we are virtually coming to the end of the tutorial. One day it has to be broken into two. Apologies. I just hope you learned something aside from my discussion. So see that they're calling my name now. Let me wrap up this tutorial. So I remain Kingsley. Let me know what you learned in this tutorial. The kind of videos you want me to be making more of. I make content. Should I use one color? Let's use gradients. I don't want to be lazy because I'm being called now. They want me to be lazy, but I will not be lazy. I'll finish up. So now we'll just pick up this. We'll pick the two color. This is the last thing we'll do. Then we'll pick this last one. We are done with that. So the only thing we need to do, let's see, crop, turn it this way, and you can reduce it. You can reduce it like this. There's something I want to do, but I would not recommend you do it. Please don't say because I do it, you do it. I'm using the word please now so that some persons, okay, let me try something else because I don't want to compress it. Yeah, beautiful. I didn't have to compress it, so no worry. You can do what I do. So we do this now. Let's see if we can reduce the size a little bit. Please, I can't apologize more than I've apologized. I have some kind of visitors, and I said I'm going to make this tutorial, so I'm just imagining me listening to this, watching this video some years time. But then again, I'm sure you learned something. I told myself that I'm going to upload this tutorial. So it's either I start it all over or I just go ahead with it. So just in case you're watching it, I want you to understand that I had an option of starting all over, but because I have other things to do, I just couldn't. So where is the other? Okay, where is the other? Where's the other number? Let's log this and bring this to the front. Bring it to the front. So this one will not be white. This one will not be white. Color, it has to be white, and reduce the size a little bit. Reduce the size a little bit. So the last thing is this one. Oh, we still make it either white or off-white. Then we give it a gradient. Background color will be gradient. So this or this, whichever one looks fine by you. So you can just stretch the left, stretch it. 60 is okay, right? The right. I think 60 is also okay. Wow. 5 bottom. Okay, the top. You still have to increase the top. Oh, it's okay from my end. Okay, so wow, what a tutorial. And you guys got to hear some extra stuff I didn't want to plan for you. So please, we have done. We can delete this. You can see we successfully replicated this, and it's looking beautiful. Credit to the designer, Christine. Just one more thing we'll bring, and there's this texture I wanted to add. Yes, this texture like this. So ideally, I just wanted to add it for drive, but let's see how it's going to be like. So the color, let's make it white. I only wanted it to show in the drive. So what will happen is now I'll take this texture to the back because of what I want to. I just wanted it to reflect only in that word drive. So I will take it. I'll first increase it, take it to the back. This is the last thing we'll do. Then I'll take that word drive. I'll take it to the back. Then I'll now take this last texture, our main background texture, to the back. So with that this thing will only be showing in the drive. But the only thing is now you can reduce the opacity a little bit so it doesn't become too much. So something like this. So with that, we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is one of the most humorous tutorial I've ever made, but then again, I just hope you learned something. Once more, credit to the original designer, Christine, and I'll see you in our tutorial next time. Thank you.